recap, or not recap, but the daily bias going into Thursday, September 11th. So it's currently 6:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and run them news real quick. So we do have CPI, and unemployment claims. So let's go ahead and check out how that came out. So actually get in the forecast. So that's pretty bearish news. Actually get in the forecast. All right, so going into the day, we do have some bearish news, just something to keep in mind. Even regardless, we're about to hit all-time highs again, so I potentially might not even take a trade, just because I don't really like that market structure. But let's go ahead and run it up on both time frames. All right, so let's do NQ first. All right, so NQ, we did get a break of structure to the upside here, so we are bullish on the 4-hour time frame alongside with a 1-hour time frame as well, if I saw correctly. Once I shut this side to load, meanwhile I'll do this one too. All right, so we got a break of structure here. We never broke below this low, so even if we didn't break here with this candle here, we're still bullish on the 4-hour time frame, so we're gonna go ahead and scale down again. All right, let's go back to NQ. So overall on the 4-hour time frame for ES and NQ, we are bullish. We did get a break of structure here, so we're bullish once again. Let's go ahead and mark our hourly highs and lows. There's not really any fair value gaps that I really like within here. I mean, I guess there's this one. This one got invalidated. There is this one. So there's that one. There is this one here too. And there was another one over here. Oh, this one got invalidated. All right, so we're just gonna keep those two for now. So we do get a sweep of these lows down here. Or I mean, if we get a 15-minute sweep of liquidity within it, then I'll do it. Then I'll start looking for entries. So overall, on both time frames, we are bullish. But I want to either see a sweep a high or a low first. Honestly, realistically, I probably want to see a sweep these highs, but it's pretty extensive. But overall, for now, we are bullish on both time frames. Okay. There is a 15-minute fair value gap within here. I think I'm gonna just keep those two just because this one it's damn near tapped into that one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and keep those two. Let's see if we can get a 5-minute sweep within here. If we can sweep out these lows, then I'll start looking for entries as well. All right, so that's currently the setup that we're looking for, just because again, the most recent 15-minute low is this one down here. And in order for us to switch our bias on NQ, we have to get a 1-hour sweep of liquidity. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it open though. All right. All right. Now let's go ahead. These fucking ads, bruh. All right. So on the 1-hour time frame, we are bullish. Cool. Let's go ahead and mark out our fair value gap right here. Shit, wrong one. Fair value gap right there. And we already swept that low. So we're going to go ahead and mark out our hourly high and low. Boom. Took out those lows already. Looks like we just hardly swept that. Alright. We're going to scale down lower to see if we surpassed it, but if we did, then I would just go ahead and fucking mark out this one. Alright, so now let's go ahead and scale down to this fucking dog won't shut the fuck up. Alright, hold on, let's go back to the 1 hour. Alright, this one got validated. We do have this one over here. mind. All right, we're just gonna keep that for value gap right there for now. We also have this one here too, actually. All right, cool. So we're bullish again on both time frames. So it looks like we might just get a push to those 1 hour. Honestly, realistically, that's kind of what I want to see. I want to see 1 hour super liquidity and then see us have a rejection to the downside. Realistically. I mean, same shit here. I'm gonna just leave them, bruh. Like, this is the most recent 15-minute low too, so. We already took out the, yeah. Slowly fucking cooked, bro. Unless we get that one. Honestly, yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to see us get the 1 hour super liquidity here. Alright, so that's currently what we're going to be looking for here within ES and NQ. So I'm going to start recording once we start getting closer to entry. So on ES, we just hit these hourly highs. So if we break structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, I'm not going to take a single trade. But realistically, if we do end up sweeping this, I'm going to wait for a 5-minute break of structure to the downside. Did break structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame on ES, so there's going to be no trade today.